Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Oh, brothers and sisters, we ask you for helping us to fulfill what Allah wrote for us. Allah is Razak, as we all know, and our Shaykh is teaching us, and Sayyidina Muhammad is teaching us. Allah is Razak. He is meaning that He gives us from everything, spiritually and materially. And if you can give Sadaqa, give us for our center, because the money is gone more or less. We had the catastrophe, the flood catastrophe, we used for something and for other things, so we have to collect something, some Sadaqa, to go on with our project of renewing and rebuilding the building according to the new laws of the government. It is good to give Sadaqa for such a thing, because it is our meeting place, and it is Baraka, and we are meeting in the name of Allah, in the name of Prophet, in the name of our Shaykh. And Allah bless you more and more. For everything you give, you get so much more, inshallah. And we hope to see you soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.